In today's video, we're going to be doing some camping in a hot tent in what I can say is now my coldest night yet. We hit negative 35 degrees Fahrenheit last night. And I pushed my gear to the very limit to keep me warm. So without further ado, let's get this video started. You guys ready for another cold one? This time, I brought my hot tent. Since I don't have a whole lot of time, I've been practicing my magic skills. Everyone say, abracadabra, abracadabra. Ta-da! The only reason why I didn't show setting up the tent is because I don't have a whole lot of time. The snow is already starting to come down. The ground is frozen solid. So setting this thing up took a lot longer than it would normally take. Now let's go ahead and add the stove. My favorite part about this tent is this whole thing right here. Is a door. So you can access the inside of it. Let me tell you right now, I cannot wait to get this thing going because it is just so cold. It's currently pretty balmy. It's only 2 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not gonna waste any time getting the rest of my stuff set up because the snow is about to start falling and so is the temperature. So give me just a little bit. I'm gonna get my stuff made up. I'll bring it right back. My face is gone. I brought, hopefully, plenty of wood from home because this area does not really offer a lot of choices when it comes to firewood. I got home set up for the night. I got everything staked out. This wind is getting pretty bad again. Check that out. And coming off the lake, it is bitter. So now let's go ahead and get all this wood here and then inside the tent. Oh, my face is numb. And then I need to start processing some kindling. Whew. So here's what we got. We got one row and then another stack back there, and that's it. It might not look like a lot, but a lot of these logs are very sizable. In fact, I should probably take them out and split them up into smaller pieces. But before I do that, I need to make some kindling. I don't have any. So I got these small pieces here. I'm gonna take those and make some kindling. Can you see that? You see that right there? That's ice. Just from breathing. It's not like it's cold or anything at all, just so you know. Well, kindling's done. That should be enough. I hope that's enough. The wood is in the tent. Kindling is made. I'm pretty frozen. I say let's go inside, get a fire going, and warm up. We're in the tent finally. Here's how things look. We got wood on that side, wood on that side, kindling here, and the nice stove. One thing I really like about this tent is you have this little open area here to put your extra stuff. I'm cold, I want a fire, so let's make it happen. I got my single fire starter right here. Throw her in there. I'm just gonna use one match. There we go. Okay. Let's close this up for now. And we're gonna let that do its thing. It is below 0 degrees right now. Well, the stove hasn't been running for more than 5 minutes now, and it is already nice and toasty warm in here. So I decided with all this wood here, I'm actually gonna take some of it back out and split it some more, because they do seem to be pretty big for this stove. And tonight I don't want any issues. Do you hear the wind? Supposed to be getting 25 to 40 mile per hour gusts tonight with this storm, and I believe it because it's already starting. I've taken my boots off and I'm not getting out of this tent again unless I absolutely have to. But out of everything right now, I want some coffee. I just want something hot to drink, so let's do it. Wanna know how cold it is? It's -4 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Oh, wind chill, you asked? -17. So I know in the last video, I said that those were the coldest temperatures I've ever been in. And at the time, it was 100% true, because that was the coldest I've ever been in. Tonight, we're gonna be blowing past that temperature by over 10 degrees. Definitely do not ever do what I'm doing unless you are 100% confident in yourself. Ah, hot coffee. Right now, this is just phenomenal. So dinner tonight's exciting. And now that I have coffee made, I think it is a great time to get started on dinner. So let's get to it. Yeah. I'm gonna throw that on top of there. That in there. Lid on. You can see how hot the stove is. The pipe is red, the side of the stove is red. Now I don't have a thermometer, but with it being below 0 outside, I would say it is around 55, maybe 60 degrees in here. That's a pretty big difference. And normally I have a stove fan with me, which blows the hot air from this area into the sleeping area, but ya boy forgot it. So I'm working with what I got. Kind of upset about it, honestly. It's definitely time. Oh, we'll add 2, why not? Sweet. There is, ooh, can't see. Nothing better than the feeling of knowing it is life-threateningly cold right outside these tent walls. And in here, it's just cozy warm. There's just something about it, just, it's so nice. Oh, it's fantastic. It is the time you have been waiting for. Oh yeah. Chicken Alfredo. This is so good. I like that it comes in a bag. All you gotta do is dump it into your pot, and that's it. This really hits the spot. I'm gonna finish eating dinner. I'll bring you guys back here in just a moment. Oh, it's starting to snow a little bit, and boy is it cold. Wanted to come out here, just kind of see what it feels like and see what the weather's doing. But snow's coming down, and oh, I can't. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, God. I've just been laying here, staying nice and warm. So, a quick temperature check. Outside, we are at -7 degrees Fahrenheit with a wind chill of around -20. That's cold. It's pretty late. It's almost 11 o'clock. And all night, I've been listening to the lake make these insane sounds. As it's been freezing, it'll make these almost spaceship type noises. It's pretty crazy. It'll be dead silent, and then all of a sudden, just pew for like 10 seconds. It's awesome. But there's not much else to really do right now. The best thing is to just get some sleep. Wait for the snow. All right. Good night. Do you hear it? We got some snow. It's snowing. I think it's like 2:30 in the morning, but it's definitely really cold outside, so all right. I'll keep you guys updated. It's morning. Look at that. Oh. It's -13 degrees out here this morning. I gotta get up, get moving, because it is cold, cold. I just checked, and this morning the wind chill is -33 degrees. Now this is the coldest night I have ever had. I just want to get up, get packed up, and get out of here. I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna start getting stuff ready to go. You guys ready to see what the outside world looks like? Let's do it. Oh. Oh man. Woo. Here we go. Oh. Wow. Oh my God. Oh, this is crazy. Without gloves, it took no more than 20 seconds for my hands to feel like they're already getting frostbite. This is no joke. I'm not cold. You're cold. All my batteries and all my cameras are dead, so I'm stuck having to use my phone. The electronics don't really like it when it hits -20 degrees. But as always, I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.